Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential problem. We have 27 power x minus 3 plus x and this is equals to 3. Here we need to calculate the all possible values of x. Look carefully in left hand side we have 27 power x minus 3 plus x and this 3 we take left hand side, then this is minus 3 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, we have x minus 3 and here x minus 3. Now if we substitute for better understanding, x minus 3 this is equals to m. Then this expression is 27 power m plus m and this is equals to 0. Now 27 power m this is equals to this m, if we take right hand side then this is minus m. In left hand side 27 power m this is equals to minus m. Now if we take both side power 1 over m and here 1 over m. In left hand side we will apply base and exponent rule. A power m bracket power n this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule, then in left hand side 27 power m into 1 over m and this is equals to minus m power 1 over m. In left hand side 27 this is equals to minus m power 1 over m. This equation is same as minus m power 1 over m and this is equals to 27. Here if we apply substitution and if we substitute 1 over m this is equals to minus a. Then value of minus m this is equals to 1 over a. Now this minus m is replaced by 1 over a bracket and 1 over m is replaced by minus a and this is equals to 27. In left hand side 1 over a power minus a and this is equals to 27. Now in left hand side we will apply this rule 1 over a power m this is equals to a power minus m. If we apply this rule then 1 over a this is equals to a power minus 1. So here a power minus 1 bracket power minus a and this is equals to 27. Now in left hand side if we apply this rule which is a power m bracket power n this is equals to a power m times n. Then this expression a power minus 1 times minus a and this is equals to 27. So here a power a this is equals to 27. A power a this is equals to 27 is 3 power 3. If we compare both sides then you can say a is equals to 3. Here value of a is 3 and 1 over m this is equals to minus a. 1 over m this is equals to minus a and we know that value of a is equals to 3. Now 1 over m this is equals to minus a is 3 and we know that m value of m is x minus 3. So this m is replaced by x minus 3 and this is equals to minus 3. Now let us consider here 1 and if we take reciprocal both sides then x minus 3 this is equals to minus 1 over 3. Then value of x is equals to 3 minus 1 over 3. Then x is equals to this 3 is 9 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So x is equals to, common denominator is 3. So in numerator, some difference between numerator, this is 9 minus 1. Here value of x is equals to 8 over 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.